Become an artist on Spotify, your guide to success. Have you ever wondered how to become an artist on Spotify? With 400 million dedicated users, Spotify is a major platform for musicians looking to make their mark. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of establishing yourself as an artist on this influential platform. Making your artist account. To kick things off, you'll need an artist account on Spotify. First, ensure you have a standard account with some uploaded tracks. Then, let's claim your artist account. Search for Spotify for Artists on Google or visit artists.spotify.com. Click on the Get Access button. Choose Artists or Manager to continue. Click on the purple Continue button to claim your profile. Check that your Spotify account details are correct. Click Next to proceed. Find and select your profile in the search bar. Once you've agreed to the terms and linked your official website and social media accounts, your application will be submitted to Spotify. Expect to hear back in about 3 days. Getting verified. Once you have your artist account, it's time to establish your authority by getting verified. A blue tick next to your profile signifies that you are a verified artist, giving you more credibility in the eyes of listeners. Remember, it's crucial to know how to become an artist on Spotify if you want to successfully rise in the music industry. These steps can set you on the right path. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.